Huh? Good afternoon, students. We are just having our grammar class today, and so far we have learned these determiners. And as of today, we will start this time and tense, so that you will be able to learn about verb applications well in your this grammar section. And once you are aware of the verb forms, you can edit the sentences very correctly. And so knowing tense is exactly important for one to have a good command over English. So today we will starting the time and tense. Definition of the tense says, like, tenses show the timing or state of any action. If suppose any action has been done, so from which point of time it started, and up to what time it will continue, it will show the state of the action. So tense will be informing all of us about the timing or state of the action. Here we will see further. It is of three types: present, past, and future. Further, these are subdivided into four categories or class. These are simple, continuous, perfect, or perfect continuous. Like here, present tense, I am starting with present tense. It states about present time in a sentence. And now this some examples are coming up here. I have put up some examples. Present simple, I teach English. Present continuous, I am teaching English. Present perfect, I have taught English. And present perfect continuous, I have been teaching English. In all these four sentences, we will try to see the starting or ending or state of the action what has been performed by the person. Here in sentence 1, we can say, we see that there is no clear indication of the starting or ending of the action. Like, only the action goes on simply at the time of speaking. While in second sentence, in sentence 2 also, it seems that action is going on without the clear indication of its starting or ending point of time. In sentence 3, like, I have taught English, it has been found like that action has been completed by the time of speaking. That action has been done well before the time of speaking. So it means that the action has started sometime back in past and was continuing up to the time of speaking. Like present perfect will show that's a status of sentence or that status of action. While in sentence 4 we find that action has started sometime back in past, and is still continuing for a considerable period of time. So altogether from all these four sentences, we find the different four states of the action. So that way you can understand the time and tense. Here we conclude that tenses show the timing or state of any action given to us. So we need to focus on those sentences and the state of these actions, and henceforth I will be putting up the different aspect of our tense, and accordingly we will learn. Hope for the best. Hope you all will keep your good health. Okay, fine, bye. Okay, fine.